On a clear day, you can see the skyline of Atlanta. You can see Stone Mountain, and down here you can see Marietta, suburb of Atlanta. And over on the north side of this mountain, you have the suburb of Kennesaw. It's kind of interesting to consider that here in this densely forested national park, you have the Atlanta skyline off 20 miles away. It's also more interesting to imagine that Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield Park is essentially wedged between two suburbs here in Metro Atlanta, one of the largest metropolitan areas in the USA. Gives a lot to imagine about geography and how close people are to nature, even in major metro areas. Look above. Hey, get back here. You gotta subscribe.